Welcome to today's 10-minute workout. If you're brand new to me, I'm Sofie from sofiejayne.com, and today I'm bringing you a 10-minute barreless workout. This is a no equipment workout. We're going to see those famous bar moves without the use of a bar. I'll do all the timing for you so you can just follow along with me. I encourage you to challenge your body and push through, but at any point if you're feeling any sharp pains or joint pains, take a moment. Okay, breathe and pick up whenever you need to. The most important thing is to listen to your body. I've chosen not to put any music in today's workouts. If you want to have your own tunes in the background, you can do. Other than that, we just need ourselves, our mats, and some energy. Awesome, guys. Let's begin. Have your feet in your first position. So your heels are together, toes apart, small V. I'd like you to bring your hands in front of your chest, a nice curved position in the elbows, squeeze in the glutes. Let's begin to lift the heels, bring the arms in front of the chest and lower the heels. A lift and lower. In today's workout, we'll be working the whole body. So when you leave in 10 minutes, you want to feel that every single muscle has had a little bit of engagement, a little bit of love, and a little bit of that famous bar burn. Making sure throughout this exercise that the ankles aren't rolling out to the sides, really lengthening through the legs, keeping that softness in the shoulders. Final 10 seconds before we open out into our plies and get those hips nice and warm. In 3, 2, our last one, the heels lower. Taking the arms up, stepping your legs into your wider stance, opening the arms out, knees and toes to the corners. Bend through the knees, arms come down, lift and lengthen, down and up. As we come up, really focus on squeezing the glutes. Take a look on the way down and making sure that your knees are tracking over your toes. And with everyone, see if we can go a little bit deeper down, really finding that opening into the inner thighs. It's only 10 minutes, guys, so we're going to be going through this nice and quick, hitting different planes of motion. Try and stay with me as much as you can. Taking 4, 3, 2, your next one, holding low. Open those arms out, right heel lifts, and we add a tiny pulse. As we're pulsing, see if you can reach that right arm up and overhead and take a little glance down at the right knee, making sure the knee's out to the corner of the room. Can you bring those hips a tiny little bit lower down? In 3, 2, we lower the right heel, lower the arm and lift. Lower and lift. Always trying to keep our pelvis nice and stable. 3 more. Good, your last one, lower the heel now, open the arm, bring the left heel, left arm up and add your tiny pulses. And hopefully you'll feel that right thigh really working from that little exercise we just did. If everyone can imagine they're wearing a corset, so you're really trying to find that nice strong connection in the center of your body and into our heel lifts. We lower and lift, arm out as the heel lowers, arm comes up as the heel lifts. See if you can sink those hips a tiny bit further down. 2 more on this side. We then bring the heels down, bring the arms out, lift and open through the legs, rotate the toes forwards, take a nice breath in, reach the arms all the way up. As you exhale, hinge from a flat back and gently looking through the legs, find softness in the knees, bend the knees and extend. Find that gorgeous opening through your hamstring, guys, as you go through this. Taking 2 more. Last one, take a nice breath in, and as you exhale, ripple, roll yourself all the way up your spine, stepping your feet together, and we'll step to the back end of the mat. Feet are parallel hip distance, breath in, exhale, chin down to your chest, ripple and roll yourself down your spine, holding low. We walk the hands forward, come all the way into your high plank position where the wrists are in line with the shoulders. Lift the tailbone up a fraction, pull the belly button up towards the spine. Right knee into the nose, pulse for 3, 2, 1, stepping back, left leg 3, 2, 1, stepping back. Continue through this movement. 3 tiny pulses with each one. Always spreading your fingers nice and wide, keeping just a very soft bend in the elbow. At any point, if this feels too much for you, have an option just to hold the plank, or you can even hold the plank with the knees on the floor like so. Otherwise, you're continuing through that movement, keeping that body nice and energized. I know that you can do this. It's tough for everyone, but try to push through. If you can't do it today, you may be able to do it in 2 weeks' time. 1 more on each side, guys. Otherwise, continue to hold that plank. And then everyone into a high plank, lifting the hips up into a down dog. Can you send the tailbone even higher? Your ears are in line with the biceps and pedal through the feet. So we bend one knee, then the other knee. Opening through the backs of the legs, all the way through. Gently lower the knees down, untuck the toes, come onto our seat. Swinging the legs around and bring yourself to the very top end of the mat. Left leg extends and points, and the left hand wraps just underneath the right knee. The right hand comes slightly further down. Breath in, exhale, roll the chin down towards the chest. The head, neck, and shoulders stay lifted, and we float the left leg away from the floor. Can you find length in the left leg? We switch and hold. Good, switch and hold. Think about bringing the chest closer to the knee. Same movement, nice and quick. And then you can add your breath. Add a nice inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Good, and once again, see if you can lift the chest a tiny bit higher up, away from the floor, working into those abdominals. If you need to bring the hands behind the head for support, you can bring the hands behind, just keep those legs going. We go for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, releasing the feet down. Walking the feet for me as wide as the mat. Make sure the heels are close to the glutes. Bring the arms up towards the ceiling. Breath in, exhale, rolling all the way up your spine. Keeping those knees nice and wide. Add a mini exhale as we squeeze the glutes, firing into the back of the body. You want to keep your rib cage nice and closed. If you feel you need some extra support here, you can bring the arms down, or you can plant the arms all the way down by the side. But firing up right into those glutes. And keep your breath. Mini exhale with each one. Exhale as you push through. You've got it, guys. Keep this going for me. We go for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lower the hips down, knees in towards the chest, rolling ourselves up. Bring the hands just behind the glutes, so the fingertips are pointing towards your glutes. Open the feet, hover the hips away from the floor, elbows bend, extend, nice tricep dips. Like I said, we've got 10 minutes of those barreless moves to hit every single muscle in your body. If you need to take it down a level, bring the seat down, and you can lower down and lift. If you'd like to progress, one leg to tabletop as the elbows bend, and alternating legs. Still keeping that space between the chin and the chest. We've got 10 more seconds through this. I know that you can do it, whichever option you are at. Stay strong in your mind. Stay in control. Last one. We lower down, spin the legs around. Bring yourself into a tabletop position. Spreading the fingers wide. Tuck the toes in. Nice breath in. Exhale, hover the knees up away from the floor. Find your balance and control. Nice deep breath in. Big exhale, keeping the length in the spine. Press the hips to your down dog. Walking the hands back towards the feet. Nice breath in, chin to the chest. Rolling yourself up. Bring the hands into a prayer position. Step the right leg forwards, the left heel lifts. You lower down into your lunge. Open the arms forward, pull the shoulders back, lift the front heel, and add a small pulse down. Really working on your balance. And see how high we can lift that front heel up away from the floor, and how low you can bring your back knee down towards the floor. You've got it. 5 more seconds, guys. 3, 2, 1. Lower the heels, spring back off. Relax the arms down by the sides. Breath in. Bring the hands heart center. Take the opposite leg forward. The back heel lifts. lower down into your lunge, lifting the front heel, open the arms out, pull the shoulders back, and take your tiny pulses. At any point, if you want to lower that front heel towards the floor for more stability, or you're really feeling those shakes, you can always lower that front heel down. Otherwise, I encourage you to bring it even higher up, sink further down towards the floor. 5 seconds. 3, 2, lower the heel all the way up. Step to the center of your mat. Rotate the palms forward so the thumbs are out. Glue the inner thighs together. Bend the knees. Open the arms out. I'm just going to step this way so we can see. And then it's just a small squeeze release of the shoulder blades to finish. So the thumbs are up. Then again, squeezing those inner thighs tight. Can you find your balance on your tippy toes? Good. Keep the eye line down. Small squeeze release of the shoulder blades. Strengthening into the back. We go for 5, 4, 3, 2, and release. Bringing yourself all the way up. Give yourself a round of applause, guys. That was it. You just crushed that. 10 minutes of barless bar. Thanks so much for joining in. And if you are new to my channel, make sure to subscribe. Give the video a thumbs up. All my links are below. You can find me on Instagram. That's where I'm most active, at Sofie_Jayne. And on my website, I have a brand new 2-week home workout calendar. So if you're curious of what order to do the YouTube videos in, this could be perfect for you. Thank you so much for joining me. I'd love to hear your comments and enjoy the rest of your day. Bye, guys.